Welcome back. Thank you for watching my channel. This is the $100 crypto challenge. Put in $100 and see how it grows. I got 4 different tokens that I put in the video. The links are in the comment below, and I challenge you to join the $100 challenge. You might think it's too late or you never started. This is the perfect start to get your feet soaked, you know. Just dangle your feet in the pool and see how it feels. Ain't gonna cost you that much. It's like 4 McDonald's meal. Save up to 100 and I'll walk you through it. My name is Jason Pena, and my phone number is 860-924-0028 if you need help setting it up. And I was just thinking about it. If you have a child and you can set them up right now for $100 worth of crypto, and after 18 years, imagine how much it could be. Set it up, leave it there, we'll watch it together how it grows. Alright, that's my update for today. I'll take a screenshot on my $100 challenge crypto, and I'll keep you guys posted. Have a good day.